Hi all, we are here at the Transportation Museum, North Carolina Transportation Museum, and this week we are at the Chevrolet car show. It's also all Chevrolet. Last show we did, well I did, was the Ford show.
Yep.
But Connie is seeing all these beautiful Bel Airs, Corvettes. She loves her Chevrolets.
Yes.
She's already impressed and smiling on her face. So we're going to show you around this wonderful show. We'll probably also go in the museum for a little bit too and check it out. So let's go. And they keep rolling in. This is a big show too. I mean, there's already a lot of cars in there. Let's check them out. Yeah, they're still coming in. These are beautiful cars. Yeah, we're gonna check them all out. I love the paint job on this Impala. That is beautiful. Like the Carolina blue in there, so the Carolina blue type interior color. Yeah, that is very sharp. And we run to our friend Scotty here. You may have seen him in our videos, especially our Renaissance Festival videos. So yeah, here's Connie and Scotty.
Our friend Scotty.
It's a 32 right here. Check that out. Chevy. That's beautiful. I love these old coupes like this. These are great. Look at these guys. 1940 right here. That's a Pontiac. So they get a mixture of cars. So a little GM. Chevrolet, Pontiac. Look at this guy right here. Another Bel Air. Beautiful. Catalina right next door. So now I know what that hood ornament belongs to. Is a Catalina. This is a 56 right here. It's funny because I've seen that actually on pickup trucks because it looks so cool, I guess. So that's nice. Look at this guy right here. That's a Buick right there. Yeah, Buick's mixed in. It's a 50 Buick right here. And I love this cargo carrying 1937 Chevrolet. It's nice. Wow. See what it looks like inside. Get that music playing like crazy from the 50s. There you go. That's cool where you turn it and the windshield comes open. Get some air in. Nice. Also, that's a good defroster. 1948 Cadillac right here. Love the color. Look at all that chrome. It's beautiful. I mean, they're all going to be beautiful for sure. I mean, they're pieces of art pretty much to me. Look here inside this Cadillac. Look at all that leg room. I love the emblem there too above the radio of the Cadillac. Nice. So right here it says a 1957 Chevrolet 210. Very nice. Look at that. Try to get a whole view of the cars as we go by. The inside there. And back up here. Yeah, music playing loud. But you gotta be careful for sure. Yeah, 57. Connie's getting a lot of still shots. Me too. I just love the Chevrolets here, the Corvettes, the Camaros, the Impalas, the Customs. I mean, just beautiful. Got a lot of hot rods. Look at this Camaro. Wow, beautiful. These look great. These are beautiful. And over here, check this custom out. Look at that. It's a 1939 custom Buick. Yeah, it's a Buick Coupe right here. That's pretty cool. I love the antennas. That's neat. There's the back of the trunk. Then you got the Camaro over here. Two Camaros. You got Z28. And then the SS. The SS is beautiful. Of course, you get your pickup trucks. Another Bel Air here. Look at that right there. 3100, I think. Let's see. Yeah, 3100 Chevrolet pickup. 1957 Chevy right here. Nice. Get a shot of the inside. Love that turquoise. So nice. Yeah, I just want to film all these in detail for you. I mean, it'll be a long video, but yeah, these are nice. I love these. Is that Malibu, I think? Yeah. Malibu SS. You get a Super Sport here. It's great. Love to have these two. The garage. I don't have a garage. But they look good, and if I get a garage, all these cars will look awesome in there. Just, you know, just salivating for each of these cars. These are so beautiful. Look at all these classics. People having a great time too. Got a lot of vets here too. Look at this guy. Yeah, this vet here is a 79. Gorgeous. Look at that. Red really just pops on vets. That's for sure. And you got this one over here too. This one is a 1960 vet right here. Look at that, man. He's got his little diecast too. That's probably the only one I can afford is that diecast version of it. So, this is great. There's the inside here. The diecast comes with a removable top too. That's great. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Let's get the white walls on here too. Man, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's great. Always love the double headlights there like that. And check out the S10. Yeah, Chevrolet pickup truck, classic. Right here. Nice, and they're still, like I said, they're still coming in too. This is a big show, kind of like the Ford show we did last week. Yeah. And I'll do my quick walk. I'll do the walk around too, so you can enjoy all the cars with the music playing instead of my mouth yapping.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the fly so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring
So Connie spotted this beautiful pickup truck here. It's a 3100. It's a 1953. Yeah, it's a 53. Check out the Bulldog peeing on the tire. This is great. And he's got Pee-wee's bike. It looks like Pee-wee's bike. He's playing the right music. Listen. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, that just reminds me of Pee-wee's bike. And they got the music playing too when he's doing his little dance in Pee-wee's Big Adventure. But this is beautiful. Yeah, this is so nice. Yeah, I'm digging these classics right here. The Chevrolet 31 Apache. It's a 1958. Yeah, that's beautiful. Getting some of the more modern pickup trucks coming in here. Customs. Look at that one. That's pretty cool right there. Yeah, that's custom out. It's Suburbans. Look at this guy right here. The Sport right here. Pulling in. That red one. He's going to probably park right next to him. I want to get a shot of the ambulance over here too. But here is that beautiful ambulance right here. This is great. It's 98. It says, yeah, right there. Imagine the size of that engine too. If you know what the size of that engine is, leave a comment for me on this particular one. Yeah, this is nice. Yep, I can picture the Ghostbusters in there. Yeah, it's great. Love it. But I think theirs is a little bit different. I think there's actually an older version. This is a Oldsmobile. So yeah, I think they had a Cadillac is what they drove, ambulance version. So I could be wrong, but this one's an Oldsmobile here. I love it though. I'd drive around that all day. Go to the grocery store in this big, huge ambulance. So the last time I was here, I took you that way to the movie cars, and but we didn't walk down this way. So we walked down here. We saw the trucks, but yeah, you go down here, we'll see some more different vehicles. Got this old, a lot of these old cargo trucks here. The old Fredrickson right here, Old Dominion. Oh, that's pretty cool. Check this out. They cut away the interior so you can see what it looks like inside the trucks. So you got a bunk there too. Got a little area here for sleeping as well. Got the refrigerator, storage. Isn't that cool? More storage. Yeah, it kind of shows you the inside of what they look like. Look at this old guy right here, the old Ford. It's Old Dominion here. Yeah, the old Fredrickson right here, Charlotte, North Carolina. Saw those all the time in Charlotte. Yeah, that's cool here. Thomasville, North Carolina, the Old Dominion. Very nice. Continue down this way. I want you to see this side. I apologize for not bringing you through here. And check out this Studebaker flatbed. That is awesome. That's the first time I've seen a flatbed Studebaker. That's cool. Just carrying that old carriage there. Old wagon. Then you've got this tow truck here. Very nice. That's a Ford also. Old F5. There's a Studebaker. That's nice. Love that. And I love this old 42 Willie right here. Man, I love to have one of those. Then behind the Jeep here, you get this old Chrysler 300. Now that's a 300. I love that. Love the fins on the back too. There's a Plymouth right here. Yeah, you get some rare cars here for sure. Old Edsel. Nice. And here's that Continental, Lincoln Continental, two-door. That's very cool. I love that. See what the inside looks like. I don't know if you can see it with the reflection. There you go. Yeah, my friend Scotty was make sure to see the old Lincoln. There's old Eldorado, Cadillac, old Wagoneer right here too. Very nice. And look at the old carriages. There's a definite old transportation along here for sure. These are great. I love these. Fancy. So some of them had 2 horsepower, some had 1 horsepower. The old wagons over here too. And then you get this old pickup truck around the corner. Old International right there. So this time I took you through here so you can see all of these wonderful cars and trucks. So we walked from over here and have a Corvette section over here of the cars lined up. It's more of the modern versions of the Corvette, but they're still beautiful cars here, which I love. A lot of the newer Corvettes, but here they have kind of a mixture of different ones. Here's one of the new ones here. Those mid-engines are awesome. Yeah, look at these. Isn't that awesome? Great. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this one's, I'm not sure what year that one is, but this one's the mid-engine right here in the back. You got the engine in the back. But this is great. I love the paint jobs on these too. Colors are beautiful. Love those wheels on this one. Here's another one right here. Yeah, these are great. Yeah, I got stuff over here in this parking lot. There's some cars over here, and I got a little event going on over there as well. Walk around here too. Check him out. Chevy right there, classic right there. He's probably coming here to the show as well to show his pickup truck. And look at these guys. These convertibles are beautiful. Look at that one. That is real sharp. I love the emblem on the hood too. Isn't that great? Look at that. Get a shot of the inside. Love the chrome on there, the wheels. Got that carbon fiber in there. Yeah, that's sharp. Get some pictures of these too. These are great. How you doing? Great. Look at these. Nice assortment of Vettes all through here. That one's pretty cool with the yellow and black. Let's get a Hornet on there. Nice. Let's get on the engine too. Look at that. That's Killer Bee. So he's not a Hornet, he's a Killer Bee. And of course, when you're in Rome, you get to drink the cheer wine. Yeah, Salisbury is like right up the street where cheer wine was born. Yeah, we're here in Spencer, and I love my cheer wine. And so, of course, we're going to do our walk around with the music for more cars. Yeah, I didn't realize it was going to be this big. Yeah, this is the Overflow over here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Pontiac right here. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. I love the colors on it. Yep. I mean, it pops big time. That yellow and white. Here's the inside here. Wow. So he's got Tweety Bird back there too in the back seat. This is amazing. Pretty incredible. That is so sharp. And right behind it, they have a really nice Plymouth right over here. But I definitely need to get that on video for you guys. That yellow is just, this is such a beautiful car right here. So there's a mixture of cars, so it's just not Chevrolet. You get a little bit of everything. Yeah, look at that. And here is that Plymouth Duster. That's gorgeous. Got the Tasmanian Devil in the back. Got that 340 also. Yeah, I love that too. I'd take any of these and put it and drive it. That is so tough. Yeah, that's great. And I want you guys to check this Hot Wheels truck out. This is awesome. Yeah, it's towing that hot rod on the back there. Very cool. So this has got to be like overflow of vehicles from the show. There's more Chevrolets over here too. This is beautiful right here. See if we can get a shot of the inside. Love that. That's awesome. In the front right there. It's 1942. Love it. Old Dodge Challenger. Plum crazy. Yeah, look at this Impala. Oh my Lord. That pops too with that red interior. Got the chrome wheels. Look at the inside here. That's gorgeous. Love that. Great family car, but also a great hot rod, if you ask me. Because look at this engine. Wow. Yeah, it's all tweaked out. That looks beautiful. And we wanted to get in the shade and get cooled off. But yeah, we hope you enjoyed our show of the Chevrolets. They actually had different cars. What'd you think?
I loved it. Well, I love Corvettes and I love my Bel Air, so it was great.
Yeah, we wanted to take half those cars home with us, and we just don't have the space or the money. So, but yeah, they're beautiful cars. We look forward to bringing you to these car shows so you can experience these wonderful classics, even some of the newer cars. Yeah, it's great. Come out here. Met a lot of new friends too. Everybody's so nice, and yeah, definitely come to these car shows. Have a great time with the kids, with the family, and just with yourself. Bring your camera, take some cool pictures of these cars. All right, guys, look forward to seeing you soon. Stay tuned for more content. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.